welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, it's been a good minute that I haven't posted. I'm gonna be having this beautiful wig today that it looks absolutely amazing, so we're gonna try to create the eyebrows. That's why I haven't done them. All of my pencils so far that I have, they don't have the color, so I'm gonna pretty much show you guys how I get the colors, whatever color I want. All you need is a few tips. Okay, ready? One of these, any white pencil will do, and you're gonna start drawing your eyebrows. If you don't have eyebrows, it's amazing, of course, hands up for that. But if not, try to glue them or so that way it can be nice and sharp. So for this one, the closest to the eyeshadow is gonna be, I'm gonna be using my 35B palette from Morphe, and the color that I'm gonna use is very similar to my wig. Of course, it's not gonna be exactly the same, or maybe it would, but I'm gonna be using this color right here, which is kind of actually goes to it. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully everything goes good according to plan. And right here on the inner, if you can tell, I'm doing very carefully. I'm blending it so it can give you that fading effect from light to dark or whatever. You don't want to press too hard, because if not, it's gonna mess up the eyeshadow and you're gonna erase the line. Okay, so we're just gonna get clear mascara and kind of brush it carefully that you don't mess up the eyeshadow. So the concealer that I'm gonna be using is LA Colors Concealer. It looks like this. The shade is gonna be tan. Alright guys, and the moment you guys be waiting for, babes, can you come out, introduce yourself? Alright, ready guys? Gotcha! I did talk to him and he preferred not to be part of it, which I'm okay with that. So there's like a lot of people that I actually tell them or ask them if they want to come out in my life, or like in the YouTube life and stuff like that. They don't want to be you know, like, hey, you're so and so, like, are you even taking, like, do you even have a boyfriend because he doesn't come out? He prefers not to be part of it, which I'm okay with that, guys, so please don't mind that. Yes, we have we've been together for a few years now, and I think it's amazing the bond that we have. He doesn't have to be coming out in my YouTube as being like, hey, this is my boyfriend, about whatever. Where I do post them is in my private accounts, so only family and friends are there. So as far as my business stuff and everything, he did have to talk with me, and he loves everything that I'm doing. His support is amazing, but he just preferred not to be part of it. So yes, you guys, that's one thing I've been wanting to throw out there, because a lot of them have been asking me like, hey, how come your man doesn't come out in the back? That's why, you guys, he prefers not to be part of it, which I'm absolutely okay with it, guys. Okay, ready? So let's get back to the YouTube. So now I'm gonna be using my NYX primer, which is a nude color, looks like this. I'm gonna use my Jaclyn Hill right here, this amazing palette, which is Arm and Gorgeous. And if you guys haven't seen it, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen thousands of YouTubes on this. I'm gonna use Axis, this one right here, and I'm gonna use it kind of as a transition color. On that, I did upgraded my iPad and my phone, so hopefully everything goes good as planned. Hoping it does, and that it actually. So I did like that color from the 35B Morphe, but of course I always mix my colors. So I'm gonna use this beautiful palette, the Zulu by Juvia's palette, and I'm gonna dip it into this beautiful yellow right here, and I'm just gonna dip some with my brush. And ooh, girl, this color is life. This is what I was looking for. I'm gonna just dip this one in here. I'm gonna use my beautiful palette that I was given to by my beautiful sister-in-law, and I'm gonna dip it into this color right here that is called Glaze. Look at how beautiful these colors are. Let's go with this one right here, the dark green from the 35B palette by Morphe. Okay, so yeah, let's go with this one right here with the navy blue, because this one is not picking up at all. Well, this is definitely no mint. Not anymore. I did say I didn't like this under my eyes, so I figured out how you can use it. You can actually use it as cutting a cut crease. Is amazing to cut the cut crease, and you're about to see why. So the shade that I'm going to be using is a light peach, and it's super white, as you can see, whiter than my skin. So this is how I do it, and it's amazing. I started using it as my cut crease better, so I was like, I don't want to return it, I want to keep using it. And I was like, oh, cut creases. Do you guys see how white is coming out? I love that. I've been struggling to find a badass concealer that it can cover everything, and this is the right one for me. Fluffy brush, we're gonna dip it into this one, and oh my gosh, for dear life, let's hope this comes out good. Now time for my pigment primer. This one in my inner corner right here, because I want it to kind of to pop, and then we're gonna put this one right here, and then on the corner I'm gonna use the same lime green that I was using, well, not lime green, but the same one that I have in my eyebrows. I'm gonna use that one in there just to kind of make it pop. So I'm just gonna get kind of like a spongy, I don't even know how you call this, but I'm gonna dip it into the lime green. Good, look at that. This looks super amazing. It's almost the same color. So what I'm gonna do, a little bit of that navy blue so it can kind of spark it. Now I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner in jet black. I'm gonna use Methron and in white. Because I want to make them pop my eyes, I'm gonna use my white eyeliner. From the bottom of my eyes, I'm gonna use my Ultimate NYX. Now we're gonna jump into my Ultimate foundation. So of course you guys don't have to see all this process. So I was gonna wear this green, but never mind. I decided to change it into the NYX lingerie, which is the color Honeymoon, which is #1. So since I have so much going on in my eyes, I want to make it a little bit. Alright you guys, and there you guys have it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I decided to go with a pinup at the last minute, so you guys can see how I rock this beautiful hair and style and everything. I love everything about it, the lime green, the flower, everything. Honestly, this can be more like a summer look, but why not right now? It's kind of cold, so I decided to make this for you guys because a lot of you guys have been requesting how to do like a pinup. Can you actually do different colors? Yes, you can. See, you can use different colors and still rock it as a pinup or as a regular style. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being so freaking patient. I am so sorry about it, for me being so absent on YouTube. Hopefully from now on I can record from this app. Thank you so much for watching. I love you and adore you guys. Thank you again so much for being so patient with me. I love you, every single one of you guys. Muchísimas gracias, los amo muchísimo, and thank you so much. I love you a lot. Muchos besitos, lots of kisses, y los miro hasta la otra. See you till next time. Bye.